Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 3, Lesson 6. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to measure, order, and compare the length of objects before and after measuring with centimeter cubes. So, looking at this, we're going to be actually focusing more on a word problem today and talking about comparing lengths in a word problem. So it says Sally's ice cream cone is 13 centimeters tall and Mark's popsicle is 10 centimeters tall. How much taller is the ice cream cone than the popsicle? So Sally's ice cream cone is 13 centimeters tall, and Mark's popsicle is 10 centimeters tall. How much taller is the ice cream cone than the popsicle? So I'm going to read it again. Sally's ice cream cone is 13 centimeters tall, and Mark's popsicle is 10 centimeters tall. How much taller is the ice cream cone than the popsicle? So, looking at this, the bigger number that we're comparing is always going to be our whole. Even though we're comparing, we have to just make that bigger one our whole. So, we can add or subtract for this. So, I'm going to show both ways that we can set up your numbers in. So, it could be 13, which is our whole, minus our part, which is 10 that we know, equals, this is how much taller the ice cream cone is than the than the popsicle. Or you could have done addition where we know it's 10 plus mystery box equals 13. So, looking at this, we can draw our whole, which we know that we're using 13, that bigger number, as our whole. So 13. Boxing in 10. Now 10 is our other part. So we're just going to circle 10. How many is left? 1, 2, 3. 3 is what's left. So 13 minus 10 equals 3, or 10 plus 3 equals 13. So how much taller is the ice cream cone than the popsicle? The ice cream cone is 3 centimeters taller than the popsicle. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.